The U.S. Marine Corps has initiated a notable temporary adjustment to its aviation presence in Japan by deploying F-18 Hornet fighter jets to Marine Corps Air Station, MCAS Iwakuni, replacing a detachment of F-35B Lightning II stealth aircraft. Announced by the 1st Marine Aircraft Wing in early September 2025, this rotation involves 12 F divided by a -18 C divided by D Hornets operated by Marine Fighter Attack Squadron 232, known as the Red Devils. These aircraft have arrived under the Unit Deployment Program, UDP, a long-standing framework that allows the Marine Corps to maintain a forward presence while rotating squadrons for maintenance, training, and operational flexibility. The Hornets are temporarily substituting for the F-35Bs of VMFA 214, which had previously been deployed from Yuma, Arizona, as part of the Corps' ongoing forward-based posture in the Indo-Pacific region. MCAS Iwakuni is a strategically critical base in western Japan, hosting both Marine and Navy aviation units that support expeditionary and maritime operations throughout the region. The base serves as home to Marine Aircraft Group 12, which oversees a mix of fixed-wing and support squadrons, including permanent F-35B units, an aerial refueling squadron, and various logistics, maintenance, and ordnance elements. It also accommodates Carrier Air Wing 5, which regularly operates from the USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76. This combination of assets allows the base to function as a hub for rapid response, air interdiction, close air support, and regional maritime security operations, while also facilitating joint and bilateral exercises with the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, and allied forces. The temporary rotation of Hornets does not signal a reduction in the Marine Corps' commitment to fifth-generation capabilities, but rather reflects operational pragmatism. F-35B stealth fighters remain central to the Corps' modernization goals under Force Design 2030, which envisions a fleet focused on survivability, dispersed operations, and integrated sensor networks. However, legacy platforms like the F-18 remain essential for sustaining forward presence without interruption, bridging capability gaps while ensuring that more advanced assets are available for high-priority or contested missions. The Hornets' flexibility in multi-role operations, ability to carry a wide range of precision-guided munitions, and compatibility with both carrier and expeditionary environments make them a reliable workhorse even as the Corps transitions toward an all-fifth-generation force. This rotation also reinforces the operational objectives of the Unit Deployment Program, which has long enabled the Marine Corps to manage squadron readiness and operational tempo efficiently. Through UDP rotations, aircraft are cycled in and out of forward-deployed bases, ensuring continuous operational availability while providing pilots, maintainers, and support personnel with valuable training opportunities. For VMFA 232, the deployment to Iwakuni represents a chance to operate in complex Pacific scenarios, engage in joint and bilateral exercises, and integrate with allied air and maritime forces under realistic operational conditions. Planned exercises during this rotation are expected to simulate contested airspace operations, expeditionary basing, and maritime strike missions, thereby strengthening tactical interoperability and reinforcing the U.S. Japan security alliance. From a strategic perspective, the presence of marine aviation at MCAS Iwakuni is part of a broader forward-based deterrence posture in the Indo-Pacific. Rising tensions in the South and East China Seas, coupled with the strategic importance of the first island chain, have made sustained air presence a key component of regional security. Hornet deployments ensure that the United States maintains visible and capable air power in the region, signaling readiness to respond to contingencies and supporting the defense of allied territories. By supplementing fifth-generation platforms with capable legacy aircraft, the Marine Corps can maintain continuous coverage, project air power effectively, and participate in multinational training exercises without overstretching resources or compromising operational capability. MCAS Iwakuni is closely integrated with other U.S. bases across Japan, including Kadena Air Base in Okinawa and Misawa Air Base in northern Honshu. These locations collectively form a layered and resilient air network that supports rapid force mobilization, theater-wide command and control, and sustained air superiority. Kadena, for instance, hosts the U.S. Air Force's 18th Wing, which operates F-15C divided by D Eagles, KC-135 Stratotankers, HH-60G Pave Hawk helicopters, and E-3 Sentry AWACS aircraft. These units provide critical capabilities in aerial refueling, search and rescue, early warning, and command and control functions, enhancing regional situational awareness and force projection. MCAS Iwakuni, while primarily a Marine and Navy base, also serves as a forward operating location for Air Force aircraft during joint exercises, creating a highly interoperable and flexible network that reinforces U.S. and Allied deterrence. The rotational Hornet deployment contributes directly to the objectives of theater security cooperation, ensuring that the U.S. Japan alliance remains operationally integrated. By flying alongside Japanese fighters, engaging in coordinated maneuvers, and simulating real-world operational scenarios, Marine aviation personnel refine their tactical skills and strengthen interoperability with Allied forces. These exercises also allow for the testing of distributed operations concepts, which are increasingly important in the context of modern, contested environments where dispersed and survivable forces are key to maintaining combat effectiveness. By participating in these rotations, VMFA 232's pilots and maintainers gain experience in expeditionary operations, logistic support under deployed conditions, and coordination with joint and allied forces, all of which are essential for maintaining readiness in high-end conflict scenarios. While the Marine Corps continues its long-term shift toward F-35B and F-35C aircraft, the temporary return of the Hornet underscores the enduring relevance of legacy platforms in the U.S. force structure. Their ability to sustain sortie generation, support joint and multinational exercises, and integrate into distributed operations ensures that the Corps can maintain a forward presence without gaps. Hornets offer versatility across air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, enabling commanders to balance readiness, modernization, and operational demands simultaneously. In this sense, the deployment to Iwakuni illustrates how legacy and fifth-generation platforms can operate in concert to reinforce regional deterrence and maintain continuity of operations. This deployment also highlights the broader strategic calculus underlying U.S. force posture in the Indo-Pacific. As the Marine Corps manages modernization, regional deterrence, and alliance obligations, forward-based rotations like the arrival of Hornets at Iwakuni demonstrate operational flexibility. By leveraging a mix of advanced and legacy aircraft, the United States can project credible air power across key maritime corridors, maintain rapid response options, and support Allied forces in a coordinated manner. The continuous presence of marine aviation at Iwakuni ensures that the United States retains both symbolic and practical influence in the region, signaling commitment to the defense of Japan and the broader Indo-Pacific security architecture. In practical terms, the Hornet rotation allows the Marine Corps to manage aircraft maintenance cycles, training rotations, and operational dispersal without sacrificing mission readiness. This approach aligns with the Corps' strategic goal of creating a resilient and adaptive force capable of operating across multiple theaters simultaneously. The F/-18's ability to execute a wide variety of missions, including air interdiction, close air support, and maritime strike, ensures that the Marines remain a credible and flexible component of the U.S. forward-deployed presence. Meanwhile, F-35Bs remain available for high-priority missions requiring stealth, advanced sensors, and enhanced survivability. Ultimately, the temporary deployment of Hornets to MCAS Iwakuni is a clear illustration of how the Marine Corps is balancing modernization with readiness and alliance commitments. While fifth-generation platforms continue to define the future of marine aviation, legacy aircraft remain indispensable for sustaining operations and supporting regional security objectives today. The rotation underscores a pragmatic approach to force management, highlighting the Corps' ability to maintain continuous forward presence, integrate with allied forces, and ensure that operational capability is never compromised. By leveraging both legacy and modern aircraft, the Marine Corps demonstrates strategic adaptability, operational resilience, and an unwavering commitment to maintaining stability and deterrence in the Indo-Pacific.